This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about zesters, specifically this Met Lux Citrus Zester. It's a stainless steel zester with a channel knife, and it's 6.5 inches long. It features 5 really great sharp holes there on the end to easily scrape the peels of citrus fruit for a nice fine zest. You can use the channel knife to create curls for garnishes for desserts and cocktails alike. And it has a nice fat handle for an easy, comfortable grip. You've got a loop on the end so you can hang it up if desired, or you can just pop it in your drawer. It's got that great stainless steel construction that's going to resist corrosion for a really long-lasting kitchen tool. And so these are great to use on any kind of citrus, think limes, lemons, oranges, and grapefruits. And in a pinch, I like using it to finely grate chocolate for the top of desserts for that finishing touch. So these are a perfect tool for restaurants, bars, and bakeries, or just for your own kitchen at home.